Hi there, and welcome to this quick video on how to navigate Google Classroom. So, last week during login, you got your email address and your password. So, you now should be able to get into your CFE Dundrum email. So, this is an example of a student email account. And we went through over here these little dots with all of the apps that you will be learning about as we go throughout the course. So, welcome to your orientation week. We told you in your welcome letter that you would be getting an invitation in your email to join the student orientation Google Classroom. So, here you can see an example of what that's going to look like in your email. So you will see class invitation, student orientation from one of the teachers. So I want you to click on that invitation and then you will see here join. So I'm Mary Henry. I invited you to the classroom. So you're going to hit join and that will allow you to enter Google Classroom for the student orientation. So when you get in, you will see a couple of things here, just the class code and the Meet link. Don't worry about those right now. You'll learn about those as we go on. And the first thing you'll see is here, Stream. So Stream is a place where your teacher will communicate with you. You may see different announcements or different maybe chats or conversations in the stream. So that's kind of the first thing you're going to see when you come into Google Classroom always. Okay, you'll also see some reminders if you have any work coming up throughout the year. Okay, you'll see those little thing reminders there. So that's handy. The next thing that you're going to see is the classwork, and this is where your teacher is going to post up the work that you need to do for that class. Okay, so in this case, we are following your student welcome guide, week 2 orientation. There's a certain number of things we are going to cover with you this week, including learning about virtual learning environments, navigating Google Classroom, which is what you're learning about now, and so on. So you're going to see these different headings or topics in the classwork, and you will click on what's underneath the topic and you will see maybe a video, you will see a link to read something, you will see maybe slides and things like that. So you'll click on the video or you'll click on the slides or the documents and you will learn all of the different things that you need to go through in the orientation. So here is a welcome message from Kevin, so you can click on that. And then you work down through the different topics of orientation. The next tab you will see is people. So that's just going to tell you the different teachers. In this case, we have a lot of teachers. You will usually have one teacher teaching your class, and you will be able to see the students that are in the orientation or in the class when you actually join your own modules. And as you go along, you'll be able to see your grades for each course. Now, you're not getting grades in orientation, so that doesn't apply to this classroom. But for every classroom that you join, and you will be doing, most of you will be doing 8 modules, some people will be doing 4. So you will be joining from 4 to 8 modules or 4 to 8 classrooms, depending. All of the classrooms will have these tabs at the top. We'll have the title up here, and that you will see always this layout when you come in to the class.